that cab. You probably saved me a lot of embarrassment and hassle. And a fist fight with some part-time security hump.
Yeah, but let's roll it back to the milk. You spilled some milk in your pants, and your first instinct is to attack a dairy?
Oh, here we go. Here's where you give me the old, you're as crazy as a pound of wet mice speech. The old, put down the scissors and step away from the...
No, I don't want you to step away from anything. Listen, I'm a life coach, Millie. I like to think that stands for something.
You're like Telly Savalas. What's next?
Well, we schedule regular meetings. Of course, we haven't discussed my fee.
Excusez-vous while I look for my checkbook. Hold on to this, will you? Did I leave my checkbook at the petting zoo?
Oh, hey, your phone is ringing.
Answer it for me.
Hello?
Who the hell is this?
I'm Stan. I'm helping Millie. Not with her phone. Well, I am helping her with her phone at the moment, but this is just one small...
Oh, you're the new guy she was talking about.
That's right.
Well, listen up. You want to help her, you can tell her she's late. And make sure she gets there in the next 10 minutes or they're pulling the whole thing. You got that?
I got it. Got what? Who was that?
How should I know?
She said you were late and you had to be there in 10 minutes.
Oh, Nutloaf, I forgot about that. I gotta go. I got work to do.
Whoa, wait. This is a good opportunity for me to kind of observe you in your work environment. Help me see what triggers these
Let's roll.
impulsive tendencies.
Millie!
What took you so long? Did you stop for a massage or something?
A grown man can't run 7 blocks in a row.
Come around here. I'm not supposed to use the front door.
Millie Upton, hello. Hello, I'm Brian, the manager. Can I get you a water or coffee? We have juice.
Okay, give her some room, pal. She just got here. Hey, kiddo.
Hey, Taylor.
You all set? Do you need a water, a coffee? Is there any juice?
Nope, I'm good to go.
Okay. She's good to go.
Then right this way. Everyone is so excited.
Who are you?
I'm Stan. Stan Durko. Millie's my client.
Oh, you're the guy. Well, good luck, Frenchie. She's a handful. I know. I'm her agent.
Agent? Frenchie?
Here she is, the creator and author of the Grumpaloo Gang, Millie Upton.
Oh, here is a Grumpaloo. Whoa! What do you do with the Grumpaloo?
Am I dreaming this?
And when the sun went down, all the baby Grumpaloos and all the grown-up Grumpaloos had all crawled into bed, and they dreamed of tomorrow until it was there.
Fantastic! How about a big thank you to Millie Upton for reading from her latest book, Grumpaloos Get Lost. Millie will be at the checkout in just a few minutes to sign your books.
Whoa, hey!
You created the Grumpaloos?
You just got water up my nose.
Everybody knows the Grumpaloos, the books, the cartoons, the toys.
Yeah, they're all over the place now. It's kind of cool.
You're rich and famous.
Oh, well, my Grumpaloos are famous.
But you're rich.
Only in the sense that I have a lot of money.
This pie tastes like donuts, which would be brilliant if somebody thought of that.
Well, have another piece. I got my first payment from my client.
Can I meet her sometime?
There could be some issues of confidentiality. She's, I don't want to say celebrity, but...
Celebrity? Now I have to know.
Honest, if I could tell you, I would. But my clients expect a certain level of anonymity.
Guess who?
Oh! Yeah. Hiya, Doc. Oh, is this your wife? Oh, it is your wife, isn't it? I didn't stick my foot in it. Mind you, if you're out dogging around like some kind of pig...
No, this is my wife.
Oh, I'm not surprised. He doesn't strike me as a dog type. Or even pig, really.
Well, thank you. Anna, this is my client, Millie.
Oh, hi, Millie. I was just asking Stan who you were.
Uh-oh. Oh, good, I hope.
Stan says you're famous?
Wait. You said...
I didn't exactly...
No, you said Stan and Anna? Stan and Anna, 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 Batman!
She's a singer?
No, she's...
Stan! Now I know where the wings come rolling down the way.
She's complicated.
So, little Missy Grumpaloo got kicked right out of the coffee shop by the nasty, angry Stinkaloo. And even though Missy Grumpaloo was right and smart and pretty, the mean Stinkaloo's words hurt her feelings. Then Dr. Grumpaloo, who wasn't even really a doctor, said, "Don't you worry, Missy. I'll teach you how to not be so loud and not so mad and not so frightened and not so sad." And that made little Missy feel better. And she didn't feel like she had to come back and burn down Stinkaloo's coffee shop anymore.